Hi guys, it's Makoto17 here and welcome to my channel. Some people from the Cosplay Amino app community have been asking and requested me to make a tutorial on how I make my cat Noir ring. So I responded to that, and finally this is my first tutorial video. I hope it's useful to fans and especially to cosplayers out there. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, tools and materials. Pencil and eraser. Paint brushes. X-Acto knife. Scissor. Super glue. You may also need some beads for making this ring. I specifically recommend you guys buying any small diamond shaped beads for this ring, or let's say if you guys didn't find any, you just buy any beads that is similar to the shape. Doesn't have to be diamond, and the color doesn't matter because it's gonna be painted anyway. Cardboard, EVA foam, hot glue gun, some acrylic paints, white glue, coins, any size that you want for your ring, graph paper, tweezer, lastly measuring tape. Designing and making the ring's head step by step. Get your pencil, eraser, and graph paper. Use the coin to draw the shape of your cat Noir ring's head. Design the jelly bean toes pattern as well. After that, make 2 copies of the design and cut them out. Glue the 2 pieces onto the cardboard. After dry, cut them out. It will look something like this. Draw 4 small triangles on each of the ring's head. Then, cut out the small triangles. Now the 2 cutout pieces looks kind of like a 4-petal flower. Take one of the pieces and cut out all the 4 petals. After you cut out the petals, glue the cutout petals onto the other copy of the ring's head. Glue the cutout petals onto the petals of the other copy of the ring's head. Make sure to glue it precisely in place. This will create a little depth on the ring's head. Okay guys, this is the result that you want. Now guys, don't throw away yet the piece without the petals. These pieces are still needed. Now get your beads and super glue. Now, glue each beads into the triangle's gaps. Again, make sure to glue it precisely in place. So, after you glue all the beads, just let it dry for a while. Okay guys, thank you for watching this part 1 of the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!